Hello, my name is Alex Ballentine. This is climate change in England, which is SGD number 13. So, the chart I have pulled up is rate of deaths and missing persons due to natural disasters, and the time frame is 2005 to 2020. The annual number of deaths and missing persons due to all forms of natural disasters per 100,000 people. For the United Kingdom, it sits around 0.16. Climate change has been linked to 0.16 deaths per 100,000 people in the UK, and this is significantly lower than the average for the area in Europe. For Ukraine, it is 177.83 per 100,000, and Portugal is also high, which is 117.16. England has ranked low for greenhouse gas emissions over the past couple of years, with Russia and China producing a lot more, and that's just a little reference for countries that are kind of near England. The more recent years have seen England actually reduce overall production. Greenhouse gas emissions include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and this includes from all sources. They are measured in carbon dioxide equivalents over a 1,000-year timescale. As you can see, China is well above 12 billion. You get down to around 6 billion, and that's where the United States is. Russia is a little over 2 billion, and then the United Kingdom is not even half, so not even like 1 billion, according to the chart. This map talks about an indicator that identifies countries that have and have not adopted and implemented disaster risk management strategies in line with the Sendai framework and disaster risk reduction. England is sitting at a 1, which is the highest you can get. Other countries that have lines through them, like France and Spain and Italy, have no data, but then Russia is around the same at 1, while Ukraine is a little less. So they have less adopted and implemented management skills. And this source is UN Office for Disaster Risk Association. The ultimate aim of the United Nations Climate Change Convention is to achieve the stabilization of greenhouse gas concentrations in the atmosphere in a level that would prevent dangerous interference with the climate system. As you can see, United Kingdom is around 420.90 million, and that's from 1850 all the way up to 2021. This chart shows people to place by natural disasters. England was around 510, while the US was all the way up at 573,000. Internally displaced persons are defined as people or groups who have been forced or obliged to flee or leave their homes or places of residence as a result of natural human-made disasters. And you can see it spike a little after 2008, all the way up to around 20,000, but then equal out to where it is around 510 for 2021. This is my mind map. As you can see, IoT, Internet of Things, combating climate change. It helps increase efficiency. With smart agriculture, it can help us combat climate change, and one of the examples of that is drones to help protect crops. And then another way to combat climate change is eliminating reliance on disposable materials, and an example of that would be single-use plastic. Thank you.